Okay, so I'm just going to be doing a quick review on my new Tech Deck Skate Shop bonus pack. Alright, let's open it up. Here's the back. Okay. Okay, let's see. I pre-opened it, so just got this. And what it says, open up. Alright. Yeah. Got some cool boards, like this board says Baker for life. Cool board with red wheels and brand new update. And it comes with a Baker skateboard thing for the little robot. Pretty cool. Yeah. Awesome, right? Yeah. Okay, then there's I can't really read the name. I think it might be like Tenny Kennedy or something. And then it says something at the bottom. I don't know. Yeah. It's got the little mouth there. Pretty cool. Next, we have one that's a little hard to get out. It's a Baker, this plain Baker. See? There you go. Let me pop this out. No use. Alright, let's just pop out skateboards. Alright, see, another Baker in yellow this time. It's really cool. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Now just do here's the black Baker board. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's awesome. It's a Tech Deck Skate Shop. I think it's like $15. I'd get it. It's really good. And it comes with these Skateology stuff. See it? Down here. The Skateology. It's a little case and it holds Tech Deck. And then up here, I'll see it. Yeah. These things. It also Skateology. It clips more than one together. Like you saw on the back of the box. See? Right there, that thing. Well, that thing is basically that thing over here, and it's combining all the other ones. So yeah, it comes with lots of extra nuts. Lots of nuts, screws, and it comes with little rubbers that make your board go forever. And it comes with all these same wheels. Then it's got Baker stickers, Skateology, and it's got over here a screwdriver. A screwdriver right there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So there's one bad part about it. It doesn't come with 3 pairs of trucks for these boards. It doesn't come with trucks with it. You have to either take these off and put them on these ones. But I like these boards, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get some more trucks from, like, I don't know, maybe off eBay or something. I'm going to get more trucks. Put them on. Alright, that's pretty much it. And, yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe, and, yeah. Peace.